Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bite. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. Microsoft on Monday announced its smallest yet powerful next-gen Xbox Series named Xbox Series S. Microsoft will start to pre-order for both Xbox Series X and S starting from September 22. Apple announced that it is holding a launch event on September 15 where it will unveil new Apple devices. I said devices, not iPhone 12. As per reports, iPhone 12 is delayed this year to October. A Volkswagen executive says it will sell more electric cars than Tesla by 2023 and also thanked Elon Musk for coming to Germany to test their electric vehicle models and said that Tesla and Volkswagen are still competitors. President Trump gave TikTok 4 days to sell its US business or face closure. President Trump told reporters that TikTok has until September 15 to seal a deal or face a ban. It isn't clear that TikTok will find a buyer in time and may wait for presidential election in November.
Most people think time.
Ubisoft on Friday announced its old best classic game remake, yes, The Prince of Persia: The Sands of the Time, which will take you on a nostalgic drive, which will be officially releasing on January 21, 2021.
Inside the hourglass is a marvel no living.
Samsung launched its new M series smartphone, Samsung Galaxy M51, giving it the tagline "the meanest phone ever." Sale of this smartphone is likely to start from next week. Huawei patented its new double-sided smartphone design with wraparound display, under-screen front camera, and penta rear camera designs. So that's it the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech.